Here with us is Grandmaster Rogers from Australia. He just arrived to Sofia yesterday.
Yes, yesterday.
To follow the second half of the MTL Masters tournament. Mr. Rogers, what are your first impressions about the MTL Masters?
Well, it's as usual a very strong tournament. Everything looks very similar to last year, really. Same press room, same playing hall, but a few different players.
Yeah. So what do you think about this lineup? Anand is not here, replaced by Sasikiran, and also Misipan is getting his first chance.
Yes, it's a completely different lineup to most super tournaments. You haven't got your normal trio, Topalov, Kramnik and Anand, and I guess Aronian's in that group now. So you've only got one of those big four. But you've got some players, as you say, who've never had a chance before at this level. So it's been interesting seeing how they're going. And of course, Mamedyarov, despite his rating, has hardly ever got a chance in a big tournament, and so he's also showing that he can play at this level.
So you're writing for the newspaper or website?
I'm writing for a couple of newspapers and about 10 magazines.
That's a lot of work.
Yeah, fortunately a lot of them take the same stuff.
Yeah. So Kathy is helping you?
Kathy does the photos, yes.
So what are your plans after the MTL tournament?
After the MTL tournament, I play a small tournament in the south of Holland, and then I go back to Australia.
You're not going to Elista to follow Canik matches?
No. Lots of reasons, but I think Sofia's a nicer place. It's a good place to start. Yeah.
Can you share a couple of reasons?
First of all, I don't get on so well with President Limjanov, and that's probably the biggest reason.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Rogers.
Thanks.